Nursing classes. Today's my topic is the menopause, presented by the DR Nursing classes.
Menopause, the definition. It is defined as cessation of menstruation in women. Age, the median age of menopause in most developed countries is 50 years, range 45 to 55 years. During the lactic 40s, there is gradual increase in number of anovulatory cycles. This period is called as climacteric estrogen and inhibin production falls, resulting in rise in LH and FSH secretion. By feedback mechanism, the menstruation cycle gets disrupted. Most women notice irregular, scanty periods coming on over variable periods, though in some there may be sudden amenorrhea or metrorrhagia. The diagnosis is confirmed by high level of LH and FSH, is 50 less than 50 and 25 UL respectively. In the presence of low estrogen level, menopause may also occur following surgical removal of ovaries with radiotherapy to the ovaries and with ovarian diseases. Example, premature menopause. Premature menopause before age 40 occurs due to ovarian failure, that is autoimmune idiopathic, or following bilateral oophorectomy, needs HRT to prevent osteoporosis. Clinical features. The clinical features include vasomotor disability, example hot flushes, sweating, psychological like anxiety, emotional liability, irritability, fatigue, loss of temper, depression, lack of concentration, and insomnia. Gestationuria, example dyspareunia, senile vaginitis, vaginal dryness and atrophy, breast atrophy, vaginal infection, urgency of maturation, pains, loss of libido, loss of self-esteem, weight gain. Non-specific symptoms like HS, bones and bone changes, bone pains, osteoporosis and changes of fractures. Premenopausal protection from ISD disappears, hence heart attack occurs with same frequency as males. Management including nursing care management depending on the causes. Hormonal replacement therapies. Symptomatic patients with estrogen deficiency need hormonal replacement therapy. The hormonal replacement therapy starts with estrogen replacement to be given cyclically with a progesterone. Nurse should monitor for the HRT during follow-ups. In premenopausal females, the treatment is cyclic estrogen therapy on days 1 to 21 and progesterone on days 14 to 21. This is administered most conventionally as oral contraceptive pills. Hormone replacement therapy. The hormone replacement therapy starts with estrogen replacement to be given cyclically with a progesterone. Initially, every menopausal woman was advised to go HRT as soon as menopause set in. Now, 70 to 80% of women remain healthy and need only good nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Few women need prophylactic and therapeutic HRT. Purpose of HRT: therapeutic, symptomatic women who suffer from estrogen deficiency, gonadal dysgenesis, congenital development disorder in male or female in adolescents. Prophylactic. High risk causes of menopausal complications like cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and colonic cancer. Premature menopause or following surgery, chemotherapy or radiotherapy. Duration of HRT treatment. Symptomatic women, vasomotor symptoms, urinary symptoms, sexual dyspareunia with dyspareunia. HRT for 3 to 6 months. After 6 months, women get adjusted and settle down with the menopausal phase of life. Indications: short term, hot flushes, vasomotor symptoms, dyspareunia, libido, urethral symptoms. Long term, osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Contraindication: breast cancer, uterine cancer, or family history of cancer. Previous history of thromboembolic disorder, liver and gallbladder diseases, lipid profile dysfunction, uterine fibroids. Osteoporosis and HRT prevents bone loss, reduce risk of fractures to 25 to 50%. Estrogen protects against osteoporosis by 50% in all skeletal bones. Cardioprotective effect of HRT: estrogen deficiency increased risk of atherosclerosis, ischemic heart disease, and angina. HRT increase the HDL, decrease the LDL cholesterol and TG. Estrogen therapy: root and available forms: oral, transdermal, vaginal cream, vaginal ring, and implants. Oral therapy: short-term therapy, lowest dose for hot flushes, night sweats, palpitations, and disturbed sleep. Preparation of estrogen: oral Premarin 0.26 to 5 mg OD up to 1.25 mg ethyl estrogenol 0.01 mg, micronizal estrogen 1-2 mg, evanol 1-2 mg. Long-term therapy in delaying osteoporosis and reducing cardiovascular disease. Oral therapy advantages: cheap and easy to use, good for lipid profile and cardiovascular protection. Disadvantages: high dose are required, estrogen in intestine and liquid, 10% reaches systemic circulation. Daily intake, high incidence of side effect, increased chance of STN, hypertension, thromboembolism. Transdermal patches: estradermal patch 3-4 mg estradiol and release 50 mcg each day. Apply away from wrist or arm, leg and thighs. Patches need to be changed twice. Vaginal cream: dysphoria, urethral syndrome and senile vaginitis. Estradiol base cream, half gram, is applied every 10 to 12 days for 3 to 6 months. Vaginal ring string releases 5 to 10 mcg estrogen for 90 days. Implant containing 25 to 50 mg Estradiol is effective for 6 months each, sustainable in hysterectomy patient. Progestins used to avoid the risk of endocrine hyperplasia and cancer of non-hysterectomy patient. Given 12 days in each cycle, reduce the risk to less than 2%. Enzymes: 17-hydroxy dehydrogenase control mitotic activity in endometrial cells. Drugs: Duphaston, medroxyprogesterone 10 mg, Primolut N 2.5 mg OD for 10 to 12 days each month, prevent endometrial hyperplasia. Side effect: bloated feel, weight gain, depression, adversely altered lipid profile. Other drugs: Tebolone is a synthetic derivative of 19-nortestrone, weak estrogenic, progesterogenic and androgenic action. Elevated mood, relieves vasomotor symptoms, reduce bone resorption. Cardioprotective: decreases triglyceride levels, does not causes endometrial hyperplasia. Symptoms like weight gain, edema, tenderness in breast, vaginal bleeding. HRT causes risks for breast and endometrial cancer. Monitoring before and during HRT. Baseline parameters and their subsequent checkups necessary. Physical examination including pelvic examination, blood pressure recording, breast examination, mammography, cervical cytology, pelvic ultrasonography to measure endometrial thickness, endometrial biopsy, hysterectomy, any irregular bleeding, serum estradiol levels 100 base per ml. Thank you.